Hey, wanna buy some coins? I got all the coins.
Done deal. I can't wait to start investing in crypto and feel like I'm really living in the present, you know?
Oh, you're on your way. There you go.
What am I going to do with all of this loose crypto? Feels like I should put it in a safe place. Is there a place that can store all these coins for me?
Actually, you can hold on to your crypto yourself and be safe while using it. It's easier than you might think. First, you need to set up your crypto wallet.
What am I looking at here? This is just like a smartphone, and this is like a USB drive?
They may look like everyday items, but they can help keep your crypto safe in a place where only you can access it.
That's great, but which one do you think I should go with?
Good question. A software wallet is like a mobile app that goes with you anywhere you have your phone and internet access. You don't just have to store crypto on your software wallet. Many software wallets also support buying and selling crypto directly in the app, like the one that's offered to Olliv users directly in our platform.
Whoa, I can do all of that with Olliv?
100% yes. You can also monitor your entire crypto portfolio and sync crypto to anyone around the globe. Plus, Olliv is self-custodial, meaning you are the owner of the crypto in your wallet, not us. Unlike a bank or traditional crypto exchange, Olliv has no way to access your crypto holdings.
Sounds great, but what about this little guy?
These are called hardware wallets, or sometimes cold storage, because unlike software wallets that live on your smartphone or computer, these do not connect to the internet.
Doesn't connect to the internet? Then how do I get my coins onto it? Wait, do they go inside?
Not quite. To get any cryptocurrency onto any crypto wallet, you'll need to use a platform for buying, selling, and sending crypto. These hardware wallets aren't one-stop shops like Olliv, sadly. But once you choose a safe platform for all of your crypto transactions, you just need to send those coins to your wallet's unique address.
My wallet has an address? That sounds more like a safe deposit box.
Your wallet has a public key. It's like a street address, but for the blockchain. It's not a physical building, but a virtual destination that crypto vendors can send your crypto that you purchase or crypto that your friends send directly to you.
Is this like a routing number for a bank account?
Yeah, pretty much. Like a bank account, your wallet has a public-facing address. That's your public key, as well as a private key that helps confirm it's truly you accessing your crypto and nobody else.
I think I'm starting to get it. Thanks, Olliv.
Absolutely. When crypto is simple, we all win.